You can adjust the volume of the voice guidance within the BMW navigation system. To do this, the navigation function must be active. To adjust the volume using the Quick Access menu, simply press down on the controller when the navigation map is displayed. Select Repeat Voice Instruction. While the guidance voice is speaking, turn the main volume button to raise or lower the level. Navigation control speaker will be displayed. This display indicates which volume source is being adjusted. Volume levels can also be adjusted by using the volume controls on the steering wheel. You can also adjust the volume while the system is actively speaking during navigation guidance.
In 700 feet, turn left onto East Allendale Road.
For instance, when it's announcing a turn or an upcoming exit.